Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the meaning of personality and further the characteristics of a personality in detail. Now let us first understand the basic meaning or concept of personality. See, personality is basically the building block of an individual. Okay, like a building is made up of bricks, personality is also made up of various characteristics. It can be motivation, perception, the values, attitudes of an individual, right? So personality is a basically combination of various unique characteristics, okay, in an individual. So every personality is unique. Remember, everyone has different motivational levels, everyone has different attitudes, okay, they have different perceptions and all. So every personality is unique, and also the personality is not just restricted to good looks or looks, okay. It is a wider term which includes every element or every characteristics of an individual, okay. Now let us talk about the various characteristics of personality. See, as I said, every personality is unique, okay, because every person has different motivational levels. He or she values different things, okay. They have different attitudes for various things, okay. So every personality is unique in itself, and personality is also deeply influenced by social and cultural factors. See, we live in a society, right? And we are belonging to different cultures also. So society has a very immense impact on the personality of an individual. For example, I live in a society where people are very much encouraged to work for the society, right? For the betterment of society. So what will it make my personality like? A helping, philanthropic, right? So a society, your society can be your friends, okay, with whom you communicate, okay, your neighbors, your family, it can be anyone around you, okay. Then culture, yes, culture is the way we live. It is basically like we all have different cultures, right? Hindu culture is different, Muslim culture is different, then Sikh and Jainism, they all have different things in their culture, okay. And every culture is different, so culture also has a impact on the personality of an individual, right? For example, if in my culture it is believed that we should not buy things in a group of 3, or we can simply say odd numbers. So what is this? This will make my personality in that way only, right? So culture also has a very important impact on a personality. Now, as I said, that personality is not just the looks, okay? It is more than that. It is beyond looks, okay? It is the entire characteristics of an individual, okay? It defines you, who you are, okay? And one more thing, that personality can neither be good or bad, okay? Yes, very right. Because if for me, a person's personality is, let's say, not that good, but for other person it can be good, okay. So we cannot say that personality is good or bad. It is unique, okay. As I said, it is unique, and it depends on various individuals how they look at each other's personality, right? Very right. Then the last one is, a personality can be influenced by situational factors also. Very right. Okay. If I am at a place where there's it is very hot, okay, then I will be behaving in that way. My personality will be adjusting to that situation, okay. Then if I am at a very cool and calm place, then I will behave accordingly. Okay, so personality can be influenced very much by the situational factors. That is, what kind of situation am I in currently? Okay, am I happy, am I sad, because of the environmental factors? Okay, so situation factors are very important. Now let us discuss the various determinants of personality. See, the first one is the social factor. Social factor basically includes the society in which we live. Okay, like it can be a house or home, the office environment of an individual, the community with the person interacts. Okay, online or offline, whatever. Okay, so social factors also influence or determine the personality of an individual. Okay, then the next one is cultural factors. Yes, very much. Cultural factors are basically the like the country in which the person lives. Okay, if let's say I'm in a country where patriotism is very much revered, respected, so what will be the personality of an individual like? Very patriotic. Okay, attachment to the country. Then also comes is his or her religion. Yes, what is the religion of a person? That can also impact the personality of an individual. Okay, then the rituals followed by certain families or certain cultures, they are also very much impact the personality of an individual, right? Then the last one is the biological factor. See, biological factors basically include the heredity factors. Those basically those factors which are which a person inherited at the time of birth or at the time of conceptions, right? So here physical factors like the height of a person, his or her complexion, weight, eyes, nose, ears, whatnot, they all come in physical factors. Okay, then heredity. Yes, heredity is basically like what a person has uh, conceived during the time of birth, like the gender, intelligence, and IQ level, and all come under this. Now, what did we understand today? Basically, we understood the meaning of personality. See, what is a personality? Personality is basically a combination of the various elements, okay, various characteristics that are in a person. Okay, it can be the perception of of the person, his or her values, attitudes, motivation. Okay, leadership style and all, or normal way of behaving, conduct. Okay, then we further talked about the characteristics of personality. Yes, personality is unique, we all know. Personality is deeply influenced by social and cultural factors. Very right. And it is not just the looks, it is the entire combination of factors of an individual, right? And it can neither be good or bad. It depends on how every individual looks at various personalities. Then we further talked about determinants of personality, the social factors, okay, the environment in which a person stays, the friends with whom he or she interacts, the community, the home or the office environment, and all. Then cultural factors, yes, the culture which a person belongs to, okay, the religion of the person. Then finally, we talked about the biological factors. Yes, it includes various physical hereditary factors like the gender, weight, height, complexion, etc. Okay, so now let us practice certain important questions. See, personality does not include motivation, learning, product, attitude. We all know that personality is a combination of motivation, learning, attitude, values, but product is not at all a part of personality. Personality is very much in within us. Okay, it is a combination of all the factors, characteristics of an individual, okay, a living being, Which factors influence personality? Individual, yes. Cultural, yes. Social, all of the above. See, every factor which is mentioned over here influences our personality. Yes, there can be some individual factors that are personal likings and dislikings. Okay, that can influence our personality. Then a culture also, social factors like a society also. Okay, so the correct answer for this would be all of the above. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.